Oh, oh, that one's on. That one's on. Yeah, too early. Hey, jellyfish. Neutral. Oh! Righto guys, welcome back. It's crab season time. We've already set out the majority of our pots. Got one more to go. I'm recycling old calamari guts, a bit of pilchards, a bit of whiting head for bait, just to see how it goes. Alrighty. Bust ups. Alrighty, so as we're letting those pots soak, we've got bird bust ups. I'm just going to try a few lures for some tailor. You can see that oil slick. That's all the fish getting chewed up, all the oil getting to the surface. So there's a bit of a feed differential right there. Yeah, no, there's heaps of, yeah. And Billy's on. Just on cue. Near the net or?
Nah, it's tiny.
Is it?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Jumped off?
Yeah.
Yeah, classic tailor. They, when they get out of the water, they shake the hook out. Oh, that one's on. That one's on. Really, come this side. Well, he's a good size. Actually, if you reel that up, oh, he's off. If you reel that one up, you'll get a hook up. He's off. Bastard. It's 2 fish we lost. Go, Billy. Good job. Hey, jellyfish. Some bitch. Alrighty. One, it's a small one, oh. Good sign. Yep, small crab. Bugger. Billy, we want the bigger ones. Alrighty, still a good sign. Probably everyone watching on the channel, yeah, it's too early. Never know, we'll get that legal size crabby. Might be heavy. Any action?
No, I mean, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Jellyfish.
It's never caught much that net. That's all right.
But
Up.
oh!
It's a big one.
I got something.
You got one? Woo! Double hook up.
Oh, God's diving.
We're not here for chicken. Oh, it's a good one. Come on. I'm going to swing him on the bite. Oh, he's just on. Oh, yes. Oh, he's a good size.
Nice.
Yeah, Billy's on too. Are you still on?
Yeah.
I'll just move the boat. That's actually a whole school.
Oh.
Yeah, you might need a net for that one. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that hurt. That's a good tailor. I think I'll give you a bigger lure. Chunky. Alrighty. How about that?
Nice.
Good size fish. It's probably gone about 35. 35 years. See how there's no birds really splashing? Because the fish is still there. There's definitely fish around here. Yeah, I think we put out in pots here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm on.
Oh, I think one too.
Nice.
No, I'm not on. That's all right. Billy's on. Good
Heavier than the
technique.
last two.
Yeah. What do you got? Oh yeah.
Nice.
He's green, nice and easy. It's pumping off a bit. Oh. Okay, slowly up towards it. Yeah. He's not nettable. Gave you a lot of curry. He's pretty small. Good fun though, huh?
Nice on the bird.
Oh, look at that. Step the line. Yeah. Gotta be 30. I don't think it's 30. No, not 30, Billy. Undersize. Good fun. Now you're out of action, that. I'll fix that one up. You look after this one. But the fish are going off. Look at that. Maybe get greedy and catch one as well. The billy's on. Good technique. He has to come up. Just don't give him any slack. If you, because that's how they. Oh, come on, bastard! He saw the net. Just bring him closer. Keep the pressure on. Oh, and he's just on. Oh, and I'm gonna lose him. I'm gonna lose the. Oh, mother! Come on, idiot! Oh my God, he's in.
Fifth try.
It just might be legal, this one. Out of there. Let's have a look. Even if his jaw open, he's not 30. Anyway. see you for a bigger one. So it's good to have Billy on board. He's now the captain. I'm the decky. Actually a nice feeling up the front of the boat, eh? Oh, it's like Titanic. We're just looking for our pots all the way over there. We might move them here too, because this is a good spot. But it's too early in the season, I reckon. Anyway, so that's the city all the way over there. And look at the birds going ballistic behind us. It always happens. You move and the birds show us that the fish are there. Hard to tell. That's not even eaten.
Yeah.
Fuck, couldn't neutral. Idiot me. So we're just casting out here amongst the birds. Many bus stops.
How big is it?
I think it's just the chopper sizes, aren't they? Yeah, choppers. Good fun, you can bring them up. Nice.
There we go.
Just watch those hooks, Billy. Yeah.
You got it?
Yep. So small fish, and he goes for the big hooks, but that's tiny. That's alright, good fun, huh?
Yeah.
And the money. He better be a keeper.
In the shit net.
Yeah, he's. I don't want to call him. He's going to be close. Come on, give us some voodoo. Make him just grow. Yeah, beauty, Billy.
Nice.
First keeper of the crab season. Woo! Put the dart straight away back in, Billy. This is the spot. And the good old squid guts and heads. Lovely. Woo. Well done. So we had to move around and we got in close and we caught the fish.
Come on.
That's the big one. Come on. Was that touching?
No, it wasn't.
Okay, I'm going to put him really in close. The long one. Oh, hey!
Oh,
Woo! Oh, hey!
aren't you beautiful?
Awesome. We're in the spot, Billy. That's a Megasaurus.
Come on.
You haven't lost the trick, Billy. Well done, mate. That's a beauty. We don't even need to measure him up, do we?
Still not.
Yeah, no, we just measure him up just for bragging purposes. Oh,
Look at that.
Bluey. Yeah, that's what we're on about. On you, buddy.
Nice.
Awesome. All right, we've got 8 to go. Oh, it's on, bitch. Yeah, that's yeah. We'll do that. The anxiety is heavy.
Oh, 6 massive crabs.
Oh, we're gonna bag out one pull. Come on, a flash of white. Oh yeah, baby, again. Man, he's got one leg
10
missing.
minutes.
And I'll measure this guy up. Where's me measurer? Where is it?
You put it like over there.
I hate that. Here it is.
How do I go?
I've got one leg, so you're not gonna be worried about the other leg trying to bite you. He can bite, he can spit at you, but he can't bite you. He's definitely in. Another good.
First?
Yeah, absolutely. Dump him. Stuff moving him. Slowly getting food.
We're going to check them soon on.
Yep. Oh, that's what we'll do now.
All of them?
Yep. Might as well. So almost close to shore. It's like, do you really need a boat? The only thing is the current's moving the other way around, which I don't.
Annoying.
Yeah, well, I'm actually going to go over it, which I don't like doing. Can you reach?
Yeah,
No,
for
twist.
that.
Yep, that's good.
I mean,
Yeah, that's the big one. Oh,
I wonder why.
yeah. Our theory is correct. We are in the crabs. Woo! They are in close. No need to measure that guy. Billy, we're going to bag out. They're just right there.
No.
Don't need to measure him. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, it's, yeah. I was talking to Billy before, saying this time last year was a lot of small ones. Now, and we had to throw them back, but these ones here, they're still like, they're legal, they're good size, but not big size. But that's a good sign. Huh?
Good.
The new year's going to be good. Crab year.
Massive.
Come on, Billy. The anticipation. Oh.
Dear.
Spin it.
Right down. Come on.
Oh. It just looks so crabby. Another chopper size tailor. So that's what all the activity about. There's thousands of these small fish. It's just on the lip, trying to be gentle. Oh, now what? Another fish you got to throw back, really? Oh man, that's the best bait.
Nice jellyfish.
Nice
There we
bait.
go.
No. Alrighty, so we're getting out of here. The wind has picked up. We've got our 4 fine specimen of the blue swimming crabs and a really nice tailor as well. We can't complain. Thanks, Billy, for coming back.
It's been good.
Awesome. I think a lot of people are going to comment, hey, Billy's back. Look at him. Alrighty, guys, we'll see you home for the cook up.
Yeah.
Woo. Time to cook up these beautiful crabs. There we go. I'll just show you how we clean one up. This is how I do it. Discard all that. Some cuisines across the road, they actually favour this. It's actually quite tasty, but just for safety reasons, we prefer not to consume that. And that's it. So we just clean that, give that a bit of a rinse. And that's how I like to clean my crabs. Beautiful. Right, to supplement these crabs, I'm going to do a very simple marinara. I'm just trying to get some tomatoes. They're not really ripe yet, but I've got, oh, here you go. That's almost ripe. I'll give it a wash. Okay, let's start cooking. Big fry pan, olive oil, big pieces of garlic. Chuck it all in here. Throw in the tomatoes, fresh from the garden. Romas. Alrighty. Coarse grade parsley. Alrighty, so they're looking really good. Now let's put in the crabs. Beauty. Salt, not too much. And a bit of vino. Let that really cook down, the white wine. This is a sweeter type. That should be okay. Put the lid on. Let it steam for a fair bit. It's cooking pretty good. Do a bit of a stir and a toss. You beauty. Alrighty, so we got some pasta here. It's only half cooked. We'll cook the rest of it in this beautiful sauce. Oh yeah, linguine that is. Crabs back on top. Put that pasta sauce. There we go. Make sure that spaghetti doesn't dry out. Bit more oil. A bit more beautiful parsley. Really coarse. There you go. Oi, look at that. Beautiful. Crab marinara. Fantastic. So let it sit for a couple of minutes. Yummy. What do you reckon, Mum? Just two. Alright.
Too much, not too much.
2 crabs.
One crab.
Okay.
Give me half crab.
Yeah. You want me? I'll clean the crab for you, alright? To polish your crab?
No,
Or
I'm alright.
you be okay?
Yes,
Right, you have the spaghetti.
yes.
Yeah, and I'll clean it. It's very hot. Alright, Billy. I'm not going to taste test.
I'd give.
Good?
Pasta's definitely a 10.
Awesome.
Crab's perfect.
There you go. And Mum's into it too. She's too busy. Oh well, we'll see you next time.
Tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man.